In this video, I'll show you how to create a potato vector in Adobe Illustrator. But before we dive into the tutorial, I want to take a moment to thank our amazing supporters on Patreon and YouTube membership. Your contributions keep this channel alive, and I can't thank you enough for being part of this journey. If you'd like to support me as well, you can visit my Patreon page through the links in the description and subscribe to any of the monthly tiers. Of course, your support doesn't go unnoticed. By becoming a patron, you'll gain early access to tutorial videos, exclusive projects, all the vectors created in every video, and even some premium exclusive vector files available for free download. Don't miss out on these perks. Your support means the world to me and keeps this channel thriving. Now, back to today's project. I needed a potato vector for a design, so I decided to create one. And while I was at it, I thought, why not record the process and share it with you all? The vector I create in this video will also be available in our Patreon store as soon as the video goes live. So if you'd like to support me by purchasing a vector, that's another way to help out. Follow along closely, and if you repeat my steps, you'll be able to create your own awesome potato vector too. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment to let me know you want more tutorials like this one. What kind of videos would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments and I'll create content tailored to your requests. Also, be sure to check out the description for links to our Telegram, WhatsApp, and Discord communities. Join us to stay updated on all the latest news. All right, let's get started.